Installing Windows 11 on unsupported devices is now easy. Simply the first thing you have to do is go to a Microsoft website and install the Windows 11 ISO. Now you can install this by using the multi-edition ISO. That's like around 5 gigabytes, or you can just install Windows 11 Media Creation Tool, then install the ISO, which is like 1 gigabyte. And go to a website called Rufus. Rufus is a software that formats your USB drive into a bootable drive, so you can install Windows clean on a new PC or your current PC. So when you're on this website, you scroll down and you click on other versions, GitHub. Then you search for the version that says Rufus 3.18. The P stands for portable, and 3.18 is very important, and I'll tell you why soon in the video. There'll be a link in the description for all the links down here. The Rufus link will automatically download 3.18. You don't have to worry about installing the wrong version. Now plug in your USB drive, then open up Rufus. When Rufus detects your USB drive, then you select the Windows 11 ISO from your desktop. Now with Windows 11 ISO detected, here's the important thing. Where it says image options, extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM/no secure boot is the one you should select. This is the reason why unsupported devices that Windows 11 says on Windows Ready and install. Then on the portion scheme, select MBR, and then the target system will automatically change to BIOS or UEFI. Don't really change anything else on the format options. You can change the label if you want, like whatever name you want to call your USB drive. Doesn't really matter, you can just change it. And after that, you click on start. Now it might take up to 10 minutes or how fast your USB drive is. Now when done, your USB drive should have the startup and every file it needs for this installation.